So let's get started with some bring back items. We have some items, and I'm going to share some gift ideas as I share the new holiday products with you guys too. These first few holiday products though are bring backs. They're available, all of these are available for a limited time and while supplies last. And most years we do run out of holiday products. So if there's something you have your heart set on, don't delay. This may be a good time to get it or host a party very soon so you can get it as a host. So one of those items or a grouping of items is our cinnamon, our baking stuff, right? So it's our cinnamon plus, it's our Cranberry cinnamon, and it's our Madagascar double strength bourbon pure vanilla. And you only use half the amount of vanilla. So that 4-ounce bottle is like getting an 8-ounce bottle. It's delicious, absolutely beautiful. This cinnamon plus though has to be my favorite. The cinnamon is great. The Cranberry cinnamon is awesome. I always get a couple bottles so it will last me through the year. But the cinnamon plus is so special. Oh my gosh, it's an apple pie or pumpkin pie spice basically. But it's different. It's different than any that I've ever tried in the store. It's absolutely amazing. It has a little bit of orange peel in it. Lots of great flavor, great for multiple use, even in place of cinnamon in some recipes, even if it's not pumpkin pie or apple pie. I've got a great gift idea here. Couple this with a sugar shaker, and it's a nice little gift for a family who maybe loves cinnamon toast, or someone who likes to bake and wants to top their muffins or pie crust with a sprinkling of cinnamon sugar. So the cinnamon plus, Cranberry cinnamon, and Madagascar vanilla are back. Another bring back that came from last year that I just love. It makes me feel so festive and fun when I use it. It's our holiday scraper. It simply says spread cheer, and it's just fun. It's silicone, heat safe, fabulous, has a nice bamboo handle. Really just a fun scraper to use, and it makes a great gift too. You could pair it with one of our bread mixes that's on sale right now. Wrap it up. It's a perfect host gift, like at Thanksgiving if you're not cooking and someone is you're going to someone's home. This might be a nice host gift for you to bring them. So this super cute holiday scraper. Or just for you, if you're a holiday baker and you kind of just want to have something fun and new and you don't really need anything else, get yourself a couple seasonings and that cute scraper. Okay, other new holiday things. Cast iron enamel. It comes in the Dutch oven and the 2-quart baker. Absolutely gorgeous. It will definitely run out. We have been told it is definitely going to run out. So if you have your heart set on those, get it as a host, you guys. Half price. Seriously. And that beautiful red, it's kind of glossy. I bet it is beautiful. I have plenty of cast iron, and red is not my color, but if it's yours, don't delay. You'll be disappointed. Don't be disappointed. Another great set that I'm super excited about is our bread making set. This is a combination of the caramel latte bread, the cranberry orange bread, which is brand new, and the beer bread, which is classic. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you've ever tried the beer bread. It's amazing. You just put in a beer or any can of carbonated soda. That's all it takes. Mix it up, pour a little butter on top, bake it. Oh my gosh, absolutely to die for. Anyway, that set of 3, you guys, is only $23.80 on sale in October. You could break that up into 3 gifts. Like if you have coworkers, that's like less than $8 per gift. Put a little bow around it. Maybe add, this is not one of those, this is a chocolate chip cookie mix, but maybe add a little spatula to it or something fun. Put a bow around it. That makes a really nice coworker or teacher gift. So you can get that set of 3 bread mixes for $7 and change, less than $8 each when you get that holiday baking mix set. That's what that's called. Let me show you one of my favorite things though. This is so stinking cute. I absolutely love it. It is our new holiday cookie cutter set. What I love most about this set, you guys, is it's not just for the holidays. This is a all occasion set. Look, it's got a snowflake, a flower, a little man, which could be a gingerbread man, of course, but it could be other other, could put a bathing suit on him and have it be a summer guy, right? A pumpkin, or I think this could even pass as an apple, a leaf, and a heart. So all year long, look at the darling box it comes with. It comes in this super cute box. You wouldn't even need to wrap this. This would be another absolutely adorable hostess gift. You could stick one of these on top, wrap a bow around it. Oh my gosh, who would not love to get this? I would be so head over heels with this. And the best part about it is it comes with a recipe card for sugar cookies and ideas, decorating ideas on the front. I cannot wait to make some snowflake cookies. I'm so excited. So this is a wonderful gift. It is called Stainless Steel Holiday Cookie Cutter Set. And again, it's an all occasion set. And I love that about it. And it's already wrapped. So let's see, what other ideas? Let's go back to the bread making, you guys, like that bread set. I'll tell you, I give a lot of little loaves of our mixed bread or banana bread, whatever kind of bread. You just take the little loaves, put them in a little cellophane, tie a bow around it. Oh my gosh, talk about it. If you're one of those schools where your kids have multiple teachers and you have multiple kids, or you work with a lot of coworkers, or maybe you're a supervisor over someone, and it's just not in the cards to buy everybody a $10 gift. Get yourself this gift of the mini loaf pan and make little mini loaves. This is the caramel latte bread, which is to die for. Oh my gosh, it's so good, you guys. They freeze well, absolutely adorable. Who wouldn't love to see this sitting on your desk in the morning or in your teacher box or something like that? So think about this so that you can make and give gifts. Or you might have seen the Poppin ster, right? Fill a prep bowl with those candied nuts. Put a cute bow. Just like I tied this with a piece of ribbon. Just put the ribbon around this and tie a bow on top. And you can fill it with those yummy candied nuts. Easy. These come in a set of 6. They're the 1-cup prep bowls. And just so perfect, so yummy, so delicious. You could do some of that flavored popcorn and put it in here. And another great group gift, right? Like your money goes further that way. Here's I put some glaze. This is I froze it. So I made the cranberry bread. The orange cranberry bread is so delicious. My husband almost ate all 8 loaves himself. So I took 3, put them in the freezer because I'm like, oh, that was fast. Anyway, I put a little glaze on one so I could enjoy a little snack this afternoon. So, you guys, I'm trying to think what I haven't told you. I think I've covered everything for holiday. I gave you a couple gift ideas. Yeah, I don't see that I'm missing anything. These holiday items, I do believe, are all available right now. They've only been out 2 weeks, you guys. So, but things will start selling out. So if there is anything in the new holiday lineup that you are wanting, again, don't wait. Don't be disappointed. And in October only, the mixes. So that set of 3, it's normally $28, which is a really good deal. They discount it, but it's even discounted further to $23.80. And again, the orange cranberry, am I saying that right? It's cranberry orange bread. And these are so easy, you guys. It's dumping the mix in, putting some eggs, oil, and a little water. But the quality, top notch. The flavor, delicious. So easy. And 1 pouch will make all 8 loaves. Or 1 large loaf. Like if you're want to make a nice stoneware loaf. I have a friend, a loaf. She's the pro at pumpkin bread. She'll make a loaf of pumpkin bread in the stone and then just wrap that all up and to very special friends give the loaf of bread along with the stone. So that's a fun idea too. Anyway, I hope I've inspired you to be thinking about ways that you could make and give gifts with the Pampered Chef. And the sooner you get started, the less stressed your holidays will be. Bye now.